Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 16. First, we are going to start by saying some sounds. When I tap the screen, I am going to say this sound, and then you will go after me, but I need you to watch for my finger. When you see it here, you say the sound. When it goes away, you stop. My turn first. Oh. My turn again. Oh. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Oh. Next sound. My turn. My turn again. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. My turn first. My turn again. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Good job saying your sounds. Now, let's see if we can say some sounds. We're going to try and say these sounds without making any mistakes. Okay? Get ready. Yes. Ah. Next sound. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. We're going to do top down, bottom up. My turn first. Ah. 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 Now your turn to do top down, bottom up. Remember, watch my finger. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Back up. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Great jobs. You said all of the sounds in this column. Remember, in the picture, you have to do what the picture shows on the arrow. Okay? You're going to watch my finger. When I point under the first ball, you're going to touch your nose. When I point under the next ball, you're going to touch your head. When I go back to the big ball, you're going to put your hand down. Your turn. Get ready. Good job. Let's do it again. Get ready. Great job doing what the picture shows. Here is the sound. My turn to say it. Get ready. My turn again. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. S. Again. Get ready. Yes. S. Good job saying s. Now I'm going to say some words or some sounds slowly, and then you're going to say them fast. Listen. Me. Listen again. Me. Say it fast. Yes, me. Let's do that one again. Listen. Me. Say it fast. Yes, me. Listen. Listen again. Say it fast. Yes. Listen. Fat. Listen again. Fat. Say it fast. Yes. Fat. Very good. Saying the words slowly and then saying them fast. Look at this picture. I'm going to sound out a word and I want you to say it fast. Listen. Happy. Listen again. Happy. Say it fast. What word? Yes, happy. In this picture, do you see all of these children? Do they look happy? Yes. Listen again. Happy. Say it fast. Yes, happy. These children look very happy in this picture. First, you are going to say it slowly. Then you are going to say it fast. Say it slowly. Get ready. Yes. Now say it fast. Yes. Let's do that again. We're going to say it slowly. Get ready. Now say it fast. Very good. Let's do it together. Get ready. Say it fast. Great job. All right, remember, when you say this, don't stop between the sounds. Let's do it together. Get ready. Ah. Say it fast. Yes. Ah. Let's do it again. Say it slowly. Say it fast. Great job. Now it's my turn. I'll show you how to say all of these sounds without stopping between the sounds. Get ready. My turn. Get ready. Your turn. Don't stop between the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Let's do it again. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Great job. My turn. Get ready. My turn again. You see how I didn't stop between the sounds? Your turn. Say the sounds as I touch under them. Do not stop between the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Good job saying the sounds without stopping. Remember this sound? S. Let's do it together. Get ready. Now your turn. Get ready. Yes. Good job. Now, when I move under something, I want you to tell me what it is. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. A dog. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Good job saying the sounds as I moved under them. My turn to say a word slowly. First, I'll say then I'll say at. Listen again. First I'll say then I'll say at. Here I go. Mat. Do it with me. First you'll say then you'll say at. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Mat. All by yourself. Get ready. One more time. Get ready. Yes. Mat. Good job. Next word. Listen. First I'll say z. Then I'll say oo. First I'll say z. Then I'll say oo. Here I go. Zoo. Do it with me. First you'll say z. Then you'll say oo. Get ready. Zoo. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Zoo. One more time, all by yourself. Get ready. Yes. Zoo. Next, we're going to do, listen, I'll say then I'll say un. Listen again. Un. Do it with me. Get ready. Un. Again, first you'll say then you'll say un. Your turn. Get ready. Yes, again. Get ready. Very good. Let's do it all together. Get ready. Un. Wonderful job. All right, your turn to do one of the words that we just did slowly. Listen. First you'll say z. Then you'll say oo. What are you going to say first? Then what are you going to say? Yes, first you'll say z. Then you'll say oo. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Good saying z, oo, the slow way. Your turn to do another word we just did, the slow way. Listen. First you'll say then you'll say un. What are you going to say first? Then what are you going to say? Yes, you're going to say un. Get ready to do it by yourself. Get ready? Again. Get ready? Yes, good job saying un the slow way. The word you're going to say tells you what you're going to see on your worksheet. Listen. Eat. Eat. Listen again. Eat. Eat. I'm going to sound it out and then I want you to say it fast, okay? Listen. Eat. What word? Yes, eat. It's showing a picture of a dog that is eating. Now, on the bottom of this worksheet, let's practice our sounds. Put your finger on the big black dot. Get ready. Again, get ready. Good job. Next sound. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Good job moving your finger under the sounds. Make sure you continue to practice at home. Now, for the sound over here, we're going to start at the big black dot. We're going to trace the dotted line, then pick up your pencil and put it on the small black dot, right? And trace the line. And you're going to do that on the bottom of this worksheet. Make sure do it nice and neat and try your best to stay on the dotted line. Great job. On the back of your worksheet, what sound are you going to cross out today? Yes, S. So you're going to find all of the S and cross them out. What sound are you crossing out again? Yes, S. On the bottom of your worksheet, after you're done with the cross-out game, you're going to find the black dot and trace on the dotted line to finish the picture. When you're all done, you could color your worksheet. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job in reading today. Way to go. I'm super proud of you.